Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to see which indicator you are using in TradingView. Okay, to find the all indicators that you are using. So once you open your chart, then after in your chart here you will find in your left side at your top your chart name. Okay, which chart you are using. After that here you will see the all indicators name. Right now here you will see my EMA indicator will be add here. Second EMA indicator. Then after once move down untitled script and the text indicator that the both are created myself. So if I delete them, it will not showing here. Here you will see yes. So to find the indicators you are using, you can simple move downside of the name of your chart. Here you will find all the indicators. If I delete all indicator, you will see nothing here found. And now the space is blank. Now if I tap on indicator and again adding a new indicator, you will find here it will show in your top left corner. Here you will see it will applied here. So here is how you can easily find your all indicators that are applied in your trading view. Goodbye.